Every premium spring mattress begins with carefully engineered raw materials. Precision starts long before the first spring is formed.
Every shipment is verified before production begins.
The transformation begins with perfectly conditioned steel wire.
Comfort materials are prepared alongside structural components. Luxury begins with carefully selected upholstery materials.
Every internal layer serves a precise engineering purpose.
Efficient organization keeps every production line moving.
Now the raw materials enter the heart of the factory.
Inside the factory, engineering precision turns steel into comfort. Every premium mattress begins with perfectly engineered springs. Precision machinery delivers remarkable consistency at every cycle. Only perfectly formed springs move to the next stage. Clean components ensure reliable performance for years to come. Automation keeps every production batch perfectly organized.
Strong fabric pockets protect every individual spring.
Each spring gains independent support through precision pocket sealing. Perfect alignment creates balanced comfort across the entire mattress. The finished spring cores are ready for transformation into complete mattresses.
Now the mattress begins to take its final shape.
Perfect alignment is the foundation of lasting comfort.
Protective layers distribute pressure and preserve structural integrity.
Engineered foam adds support and long-term durability. Every bond is applied with controlled, industrial precision.
Comfort grows with every carefully engineered layer. Controlled pressure creates a stable and durable structure. Strong edges provide consistent support from corner to corner. Precision trimming ensures a flawless fit for every layer.
A clean surface prepares the mattress for its premium finish.
Computerized quilting transforms comfort into lasting craftsmanship.
Every stitch contributes to balanced support and elegant design. Clean finishing begins with flawless stitching precision.
Premium borders strengthen the mattress while enhancing its appearance. Strong edge stitching secures every layer into one durable structure. Uniform corners reflect the precision of modern manufacturing. Every premium mattress proudly carries its mark of quality. Every premium mattress proudly carries its mark of quality.
Balanced compression guarantees consistent comfort from edge to edge.
The engineering is complete. Now every detail is perfected. Luxury is defined by the smallest details.
Every edge must meet exact engineering specifications. A flawless finish begins with a perfectly clean surface. Carefully controlled finishing enhances both appearance and comfort.
Every mattress receives complete production traceability.
Every surface must reflect the same premium craftsmanship. The final presentation begins with absolute cleanliness.
Protection preserves quality through every remaining step. Only flawless products move beyond this point.
Now every promise of comfort must be scientifically verified.
Durability is measured through thousands of controlled compressions.
Balance support is verified through precise scientific measurement. Balance support is verified through precise scientific measurement. Strong edge support delivers dependable comfort across the entire mattress. Premium materials recover quickly after every compression.
Every measurement must match exact manufacturing standards. Every material is verified for long-term reliability. Engineered springs deliver consistent support with every movement.
Every inspection confirms the mattress meets premium standards.
Certification guarantees every mattress leaves the factory fully verified. The final journey begins as the mattress is prepared for customers worldwide. Advanced compression prepares every mattress for efficient transportation. Protective packaging preserves quality from factory to home. Automation keeps every shipment organized and secure. Secure packaging protects every mattress throughout its journey.
Finished products await shipment to customers around the world. From engineering to delivery, every step follows a precise industrial process. And this is how modern factories produce premium spring mattresses from start to finish. Witness the engineering behind the products we use every day. Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.